Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1997 Ram 2500 5.9 turbo diesel Cummins. You guys wanted some diesels? We got you a diesel. All right, what we got done on it? Factory, it's a farm truck. Factory converter there, or particulate filter, whatever you want to call it. Factory 3-inch pipe from downpipe over. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW 22-inch body muffler, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then a 3-inch tailpipe out the back to the side. As you guys can see, it's all nice and done, nice and purty. Until it gets back on the farm, then it won't be shiny no more. But until then, there it is. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the part number on it. 12289. There'll be a link in the description. It's actually 30 inches long, guys. Sorry. There it is. Cummins 5.9. Sounds good. What do you guys think of the sound? Make sure you guys support our farmers. These are farmers. Again? Right at 90. MAGNAFLOW 30-inch muffler. That don't sound too bad. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Cummins diesel. MAGNAFLOW 30-inch muffler, 3-inch tailpipe,